We joined, there's two groups. One is Third Wave Volunteers and also Exodus. Their mission is to bring across potentially up to 25 special needs orphans from the Ukraine who've been adopted by United States families. So they're already adopted, and that they need to get them across out of Ukraine back to the United States to meet with those families. The adoptions had been going on for a while, and certainly they got expedited with the war starting, but they were unable to get the children out. And so some of them are trapped. Some of them are in areas that are very difficult to get to. Some just have not had transportation to get out of the country. And so that's where our team comes in, is to go ahead and extricate those children and get them out to their families in the United States. These special needs kids are, from what we understand, also quite ill. Many of them are malnourished. They had been receiving medications, and that a lot of them are no longer receiving those medications once the war started. So we expect some of them to be quite sick. So most of our team is in healthcare. We have a lot of nurses, nurse practitioners. I'm the pediatrician on the team. So we expect to not only be transporting these kids, but to take care of them from a health standpoint, certainly throughout not only bringing them across the border, but getting them back to the United States. We did bring, as many medications, supplies. Unfortunately, we had 3 boxes that were sent, that were shipped. 2 of the boxes did not show up. So we've tried to resupply some things here. My hospital, Huntington Hospital, was gracious enough to also donate some supplies that I was able to bring along personally. We are getting a charter plane back that is medically equipped. So once we get them to the plane, then we can also take care of them with even higher level of medicine on the plane as well. I think my personal reason is just humanity. There's so much that is wrong with the world. In the last 2 years, it was such a difficult time for everybody that when you find a situation and you get asked to help and utilize your skills, to me, it was kind of a no-brainer to do that. I do search and rescue with the LA County Sheriff's Department. So I'm used to kind of going into situations that might be difficult. This one's different. This isn't in the mountains or anything like that. But I have skills that can be utilized. I had the opportunity and was invited, and it just felt like something I had to do.